So this looks like it might be another CP freight here at Cedar Park. Yeah. Double stack. Another one rumbling really quickly through Cedar Park Station at about 4:15, 4:20 p.m. The 21st of December, 2022. Solstice Day. Shortest day of the year. And here I got 3 trains, all within a space of about 15 minutes here at Cedar Park in daylight. All around 4:15 p.m. Well, I thought that was going to be empties. Not too many of them. Woo! There we go. Not sure what locomotive that is. Have to check again. I mean, ideally, I probably want to be on the bridge over there, but it's kind of breezy today, so it's not really good weather to be up on a bridge. Kind of why I didn't want to go there. But this is a lot of fun. 2 trains within about 15 minutes of each other, heading both east on CP. Oh yeah. NDPU. Second train with an NDPU today. There it goes underneath the St. John's Boulevard overpass. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. It's really winding down there.